Next chapter is fractions. Now what is a fraction? Fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. Example, this is a pizza and this pizza has 4 slices. So these are the 4 slices of the pizza. So it means this pizza is whole and these 4 parts, they will represent fractions. Now how we have to write a fraction? Let's say I am taking out this part of pizza. It means now I've taken out this part of pizza. So how to write the fraction? So it will be written as numerator upon denominator. Now in denominator what you will write? The total number of parts in which the figure is divided. Like this pizza is divided into 4 parts, 4 slices. So in denominator you will write 4. In numerator you will write the parts, those are shaded. How many parts are shaded here? Only one part. So in numerator you will write 1. So I'll take one more example. Like this is a figure. So now this figure is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in denominator you will write 12. Now I am shading few parts in this figure. So how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So in numerator you will write 3. Just one thing you have to keep in mind, that the parts are of equal sizes. Like if this is a pizza, this will be wrong. So the parts should be of equal sizes. Exercise 7.1, first question. I'll be doing only one part, the rest of the parts you will do yourself. In fifth part, this is the figure. And how many balls are shaded? So, how will you write this fraction? Total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to write total number of parts. And in numerator you will write the number of shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you will write 4. So this is 4 by 8. Color the part according to the fraction given. So I am doing, let's say, first part. 1 by 6 is the fraction and the figure given is, so 6 means you have to divide this figure in 6 parts, and 1 in the numerator is 1, so it means you will shade only one part. Any one part you can shade. Identify the error. Now in these questions I've told you, when you have to find the fractions, you have to divide them into equal parts, and in these 3 figures the parts are not equal. So fourth question, what fraction of a day is 8 hours? One more point you have to keep in mind while finding out the fraction is, the units should be same. Like in fourth question, you have to find the fraction of a day is 8 hours, means for 8 hours you have to find, and in a day. So here one unit is hours, second unit is day. So you have to convert them into same units. So in a day, total number of hours in a day is 24, and you have to find out the fraction of 8 hours. So fraction will be 8 upon 24. 24 is the total number and you will write 8 in the numerator. You can further simplify this. 8 by 24, when you will do the cutting, it will be 1 upon 3. So this is the answer. Now fifth question. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Same in this question also. First you have to convert them into same units. Hour ko you can convert into minutes and then find the fraction. Kanchan has 3 frogs and the color of the frogs are faded. So her mother buys some blue dye and uses it on 2 of the frogs. So what fraction of the Kanchan's frogs did her mother dye? So total number of frogs are 3. Number of dyed frogs are 2. So what fraction of the frogs were dyed? 2 upon 3. 8th question. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? First you have to write all the natural numbers from 2 to 12. Then you have to find out the prime numbers and then tell the fraction. So natural numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many natural numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11 natural numbers are there. Now you have to find out prime numbers from them. So prime numbers will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write the fraction. So fraction will be 5 upon 11. 9th and 10th question you will do yourself. 11th question. Dinesh, Sumit, Ram, Joy, Marshall, Imran, Jayant, Babu, Kabir and Rohan decided to play basketball. The first 5 boys are in the first team and the rest are in the second team. So what fraction of the boys is in the first team? So first you have to find out the total number of boys. So how many total boys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of boys are 10. So in first team, how many boys are there in first team? 5. So remaining boys will be in the second team. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. So now you have to find what fraction of the boys is in the first team. So first team में number of boys are 5. So in numerator you will write 5 divided by total number of boys, that is 10. You can further simplify them. It will be 1 by 2. Next 12th question. Kristen received a CD player for her birthday. She has been collecting CDs since then. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gifts. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy? Now, the total number of CDs she have, total CDs, 3 she bought and 5 received as gifts. So 3 plus 5 will be 8. So CDs bought by her is 3 and CDs gifted are 5. So what fraction of her total CDs did she buy? So you have to write the fraction. Now bought CDs, 3 is there. So in numerator you will write 3 and divided by total number of CDs, that is 8. So answer is 3 upon 8.